What's going on, y'all? It has been a minute since we have spoken. Squeaky brakes for me. The reason being, I believe the cold weather. However, I do have a new set coming in soon. Yeah, in any event, we're back. A little while. I am probably gonna head to the seaport to take some pictures of the bike and also some shots because I am working on a review of the 2008 Z1000. I've owned this bike for a whole season now. I got it with around 20,000 miles and we're at 23. So your boy put 3K miles in a season. Not bad. I'm hoping to maybe put on even more next season. Maybe do some longer trips. So with that being said, I would love some suggestions for saddlebags which are 2-passenger friendly. Because a lot of the options like kind of go over the passenger seat. That's a little something I learned. Yeah, so I want something that's a little more, that's like passenger friendly. Hard cases would be ideal. Yeah, so if you have suggestions, peeps, let me know. Yeah, no, I feel good. Like 3,000 miles in one season. Very happy with the bike. I mean, yeah. Yeah, so 3,000 miles down. This bike has brought me further than any other motorcycle I've ever had, actually, in terms of like consecutive trips. And it is my 4th motorcycle, if you count my 50cc scooter. It's not a motorcycle per se, but it is a motor vehicle on 2 wheels. So I feel pretty good, y'all. And I was just talking to my friend today how I took a little bit of time off the bikes because I was a student entering my senior year of college where I had the Ducati Monster and I needed a car. For work reasons and all of that, I needed a car, so I had to sell the Ducati and use that as a down payment for a car. From there, I had a car for a year. I sold that car, got a new car, and then another year went by, still no bike. My friend brought it to my attention that he wanted to get into bikes, so I would be looking at the market for him. Obviously, when you start looking at Craigslist posts and whatnot, it's kind of dangerous. The odds of you buying go up and up and up and up, and I came across that CBR that you've probably seen in my other videos. If not, link up above. I had that bike for a year. I flipped that bike, got a little bit of money out of it, you know. Proud of myself with that. And from there, came across this beauty, which I will do a in-depth review. I'm working on that script, and then I will be compiling the footage as well. Oh, ISF, a nice car. Sleeper car, right? Has a carbon fiber roof too, and hood. Yeah, so I'm riding solo today. In fact, I've been riding for most of the season solo. I'm just used to it. I'm just straight up used to it. Oops. Straight up used to it, and learned to appreciate it, I guess. A lot of my riding is city riding, commuting to work, so I don't know. I'll go in more depth in my review of the bike, but it's I'm pretty used to it, I guess. Other motorcycle news. I'm dabbling with the idea of a project over the winter. It's not entirely convinced just yet. So what I want to do, I'm not sure if I want to invest more in this bike and build it up. I do have a brake job coming up that I will definitely be recording and sharing. We're gonna get some steel braided lines in on this bad boy. I don't think these lines have ever been replaced, and as some of you may know, it is recommended every 3 years to replace your brake lines. That of course is overkill and can honestly be avoided with just like regular brake bleeds, but like if I even now I'm gonna slam on the front, like it's there, but it's not 1000cc braking power, right? We need that to be so good, and that like the back wheel wants to lift up. Like I want to do that, so I opted for the Galfer steel braided lines. Got some OEM pads, which obviously are sintered, right? And yeah, that's gonna be a cool little project to do. I'm looking forward to that. Actually, haven't really tinkered with any machines in a little while, so I'm looking forward to that. Here's the wonderful sight of Encore Casino. Quite fancy, if I do say so myself. We out here having fun. I see a bike up ahead. Let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Yo! I think I know who that was. I think I know who that was, bro. I think that was Doidinho. Shout out Doidinho. He's crazy. He's so crazy. I hope he knew who I was too. I went up like that and I waved, so maybe he'll know who it is. That's my that's cool. Yo, and I got that on footage. I gotta send that shit to him. Sound check, ready? Probably just toasted my fucking transmission there. Damn, my clutch. So these dog boxes are a bit tough, right? This road is like notoriously fucked up. So you definitely gotta be wary. And I see the boys in blue up ahead, so we gotta take it easy, you know what I mean? Yeah. I see two, actually, so. We good out here? Hopping on 93. I need to get the right spot. I also want to conserve my battery a bit, but this is not the most exciting ride ever, but it's a Harley guy. Oh, the traffic's so shitty. Oh my god. Damn it. Got that nasty police sticker on him, you know, so you don't really trust these little knocks out here, you know what I mean? Yo, shout out Gustavo. That's Gustavo's future right there. Mood. Get to the seaport. Don't want to get pulled over or obviously, God forbid, ran over. But man, this traffic is garbage, kid. Oh, what can be done? Just want to make sure I'm filming. This is alright. Tom Brady. Maybe this is cool for people who aren't from Boston. But this is where the Celtics and the Bruins play. The basketball team and the hockey team. Celtics are the most successful franchise in NBA history. The most amount of titles. The Bruins, I could not tell you a single fact about hockey, so sorry. Alright, I'm gonna end this clip because this is boring as fuck, alright? And then we'll get back to you. Kyoto.